If you're looking for information on the Biteplay Lifetime Deal and Biteplay Review, you're ready to share your video content with the world, but you're missing the tools to make it big on YouTube. Growing your audience by tailoring your videos to random trends or pushing out paid ads can cost a ton of time and money. If only there was a way you could find and connect with the audiences who are interested in your content. Find your perfect YouTube audience and connect with them instantly. Get in front of your perfect audience and monitor content and keyword trends to keep its attention. Create partnerships and send collaboration requests with similar micro-influencers. Biteplay is a YouTube marketing toolkit that helps you with content research, video advertising, and YouTube influencer collaboration. Biteplay makes it easier than ever for creators to promote video content on YouTube. You can tap into the most relevant content for your brand, so you know your content is always at the right place at the right time. Take advantage of contextual placement scaling for targeting an audience based on website content, then customize messages as you tap into relevant content. And because you'll be connecting with audiences when they're already engaging in similar topics, you'll convert more viewers to subscribers. The world of influencing is filled with content creators to work with, which is why Biteplay lets you reach out to fellow YouTubers for marketing on a larger scale. Run effective micro-influencer campaigns with outreach to creators most similar to you via email proposals and collaboration invites. You'll be able to cross your audiences and build an even bigger loyal fanbase without spending a fortune. Best of all, you can create lasting, long-term partnerships for a greater chance at success within the micro-influencing realm. On top of that, Biteplay makes it possible for you to understand audience behaviors and the impact of your current advertising on conversion rates. You can monitor trends and keyword volume sorted by topics to determine the highest performing content with your ideal set of streamers. Use the video monitoring to track valuable stats from your competitors by looking at views and KPIs. With the topic tracker, you'll also receive everyday alerts about trending videos that help you tailor your future content. Biteplay offers relevant keywords and powerful SEO insights, so you can pull in those cold leads too. You'll be able to get ahead of competitors by understanding how specific keywords rank and finding the most searchable keywords on YouTube and Google. Then, go on to look at what your audience loves most by analyzing related video data for future content planning. There's a lot of competition to become the next YouTube sensation, and you won't make it without a strong team supporting you. With Biteplay, you get an all-in-one YouTube toolkit, from content research and advertising to influencer collaboration management. Build the YouTube channel of your dreams. Why are you late? Get lifetime access to Biteplay today. One-time purchase of $99 only. 60-day money-back guarantee.